Welcome to Best Hair. I'm so happy that you're here with me today, and I am happy to announce that Paula Young is sponsoring this video tonight, and I am debuting this brand new style for you. This is Bindi. Bindi is in the exclusive color Toasted Marshmallow. The color code on Bindi is 10101T number 8. So number 8 is going to be our medium brown root. And let me just tell you about this gorgeous trending color. It's so beautiful. 101 is going to be your platinum ash with beige. There's multi-tonal blondes in this color. It is really beautiful. Their design team has done a fabulous job with this color. I really love it, and I really just think it's beautiful, and I think you will as well. No matter your age, I think that you can wear this beautiful trendy color. I think you're gonna turn heads. It looks like you came fresh from the salon, and you're gonna get compliments on your color because it's gorgeous. I want to let you know that in addition to this beautiful color Toasted Marshmallow, Bindi is also available in all of Paula's 21 preferred hues. You can find these in the center of your catalog or when you're shopping online. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description box below to Bindi so you can check it out for yourself. And remember, when you're shopping at Paula Young, you can use my discount code, that's BBH20, which saves you 20% off each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. You can use that anytime you shop until February 28th of 24. So Bindi is just a long, beautiful style. Not too long. I feel like it hits me in a really good spot. We have these romantic sort of Rapunzel-esque waves, a pretty side swept bang. I'm gonna go ahead and put her stock photo here. I'll also include the measurements. Let's do a spin so that we can see how gorgeous she is all the way around. Look at that. So beautiful. I just love those soft waves. It's actually very lightweight. It does not feel dense to me at all. Super lightweight. You could absolutely wear this long style in the summer. Definitely. I love this ashy color. It's so pretty. So Bindi is a basic cap wig, which I love because it keeps the price point down. So it is super affordable. And I just think it looks so natural, especially when you have the rooted colors. I just don't think anybody is ever gonna know that you're wearing a wig. Bindi is such a great length, and there are a number of styling options, but just to show you a few here today, you can easily do a ponytail. And I just keep it as a low ponytail, tug on the bottom, and then I kind of just pinch and pull up a little bit at the crown, just to mess it a little bit and give it a little bit of volume up there. If you wanted to pull a few pieces down in front, you can, just to sort of frame your face. How cute is that for a workday style? Or just running to the grocery store. You have gorgeous hair running to the grocery store. You could also just pull some up in a clip. So keep your little face framing layers, and then I just sort of do a twist at the back, add my claw clip. Now tug down here to disguise the wig line. You can kind of wrap that a little bit if you want to, just to get a little bit of volume. That's another cute workday look. I mean, you have so many styling options when you have a little bit of length. I love that. I love these Canaclon Whisper Light fibers. They feel so soft, they feel so natural, and we have such good movement. So fun. What a pretty new style. Don't you just love that Paula Young has this team of designers and they are always coming out with beautiful new styles, beautiful exclusive colors. You cannot beat the value. I am so amazed. I just love shopping at Paula Young. I hope you enjoyed this look at the brand new style, Bindi in the exclusive color Toasted Marshmallow. Such a pretty style. Thank you to Paula Young for sponsoring this video tonight. I am so happy to receive this gorgeous style. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and introduce yourself down below in the comment section. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.